Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I have this. This is a SG Edge size large men's outdoor quick dry shirt. And we're gonna try this thing out and see how it is on my body. So this is what it looks like here. Let me just get some of the paper. It looks like it had a piece of paper in it. It does. If it falls on the ground, my dog gets it. So this is what it looks like here. So it's kind of cool. It's got a, I don't know what color it is, but you can get them in a variety of colors. But let me try this on. See what this dry fit kind of shirt. This one's long sleeve, so I probably don't need to be wearing it until it starts cooling off a bit. So this is what it looks like here. How cool is that? It looks nice. Feels good. It's actually fairly light and got some good sleeves. And this is what it looks like here. Let's see, you got on there and there. Edge sun protection. UPF 50 plus. Cool. I like this. And what does it say here? It says it's made of 100% polyester. So, and this is what it looks like. I like it. So, thumbs up for sure.